Bona Power Scrubber. Unlimited deep clean performance. Effective cleaning now. Even better. Using the Bona Power Scrubber together with specially formulated deep cleaning solution, it reaches deep down into the surface and removes even the toughest dirt, grime, and scuff marks. The counter-rotating brushes reach deeper into the surface than traditional circular brushing technique. Heavy traffic and the buildup of dirt and residue can leave floors looking dull, tired, and lacklustre. To restore its natural beauty, Bona has developed a uniquely effective deep cleaning system designed specifically for a wide range of floor surfaces. Based on our effective deep clean treatment program for wood floors, Bona's powerful yet gentle cleaning concept is now more versatile than ever. The improved Bona Deep Clean System now delivers optimal cleaning for resilient, decking, and even concrete surfaces. With extreme power and efficiency, Bona's unique system works deep down, leaving surfaces refreshed and so clean they are ready for a new layer of protection. Effective, deep clean. More surfaces. Outstanding preparation. Preparation is the key to an excellent result. Using the Bona Power Scrubber together with specially formulated deep cleaning solution, it reaches deep down into the surface and removes even the toughest dirt, grime, and scuff marks. The counter-rotating brushes reach deeper into the surface than traditional circular brushing technique. Preparation. Rotating brushes scrub deep down, delivering powerful, effective cleaning. We recommend use with Bona's specially formulated cleaning liquids, which are suitable for a variety of surfaces. Protection. With a surface clean and refreshed, it's even ready for a new coat of protection. The power to do it all. The Bona Deep Clean System offers 5 easy-to-mount brushes, color-coded for each specific surface. When used with Bona Deep Clean W or Bona Remove R detergents, the new, improved Bona Power Scrubber allows you to perform a wider range of deep cleaning jobs with ease and excellent results. From seasonal maintenance for beautiful outdoor decking and concrete surfaces, lacquered or resilient floors prior to a new layer, the Bona Deep Clean System makes it easier than ever. The new Bona Power Scrubber. The Bona Deep Clean System, featuring the new Bona Power Scrubber, enables the most effective deep-down cleaning, combined with unrivaled versatility and ease. Counter-rotating roller brushes provide deep, effective cleaning, while the powerful, yet compact design of Bona Power Scrubber delivers even more performance than most auto scrubbers, as well as the benefits of ergonomic operation, setup, and transportation. More powerful than most auto scrubbers. Gentle cleaning for sensitive floors. Outstanding preparation counter, rotating technique. Bona Power Scrubber operates in a counter, rotating motion, as opposed to standard indoor auto scrubbers and outdoor high-pressure cleaners, which both work in a circular motion. The counter-rotating technique provides considerably higher pressure per unit area than circular operation, and hence, the result is far better. For outdoor use, its totally even deep cleaning process means none of the swirl marks that often appear when using high-pressure cleaners. Click-in-Place's vertical counter-rotating brushes ensure maximum cleaning efficiency. Excellent suction via rubber squeegees removes all liquid residue from the floor. Unique design enables the machine to clean closer to walls. Faster results with a Bona Power Scrubber. If you want to clean your outdoor deck as efficiently and quick as possible, or simply want the satisfaction of using a power tool, the Bona Power Scrubber will suit you perfectly. Together with the Bona Decking Reviver, it will make short work of any dirt and oily spots.